Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Alan again from Boys Toys. Today, I wanted to make a video to kind of explain to you guys what this channel is really all about. I started this channel a few years back, and the goal was to just share things that I know, share things that I do with the toys that I have, installation videos, how-tos, things of that nature, because it's a way for me to give back to those other YouTubers who do the same thing. Because certainly if I don't do anything, I go to YouTube to learn those things. So that's what I'm trying to do. This channel, if you want to subscribe, this channel will help you with some information that might be useful. At least it's useful to me when other people put up videos about their installations. So sharing of knowledge is basically what I'm trying to do in my channel. So if you're a long-time subscriber, thank you. If you're a new subscriber, that's what you anticipate to have in this channel. How-tos, installation, and sharing some knowledge and sharing some information that you might find useful as you do your projects or hobbies in your cars and things of that nature. So in the spirit of sharing, today I was surprised that I was able to get a discount link from Blend Mount. The discount, the Blend Mount was able to share with me some awesome savings for buying their product. As you know, Blend Mount is a very good quality product. I think it's made of aircraft aluminum. And I use them here in my charger to mount my my radar detector and my Escort M1 camera. So if you'd like to purchase this product, I'll link the discount code in the description below. Just click on that and you'll get a discount courtesy of Blend Mount, which I've never had before sent to me. So I'm just sharing that with you guys because I'm going to use that link also to purchase an extra Blend Mount for my other cars, because I think this product is awesome. So I'll flip the camera over to show you what's the setup here. If you've seen in the previous videos, you've seen me install this, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So let's flip this around. So here it is, guys. So this is the Blend Mount designed for the Escort Max 360. So whatever radar detector you're using, I'm sure they have the product right for that. But this product is great because it actually locks the radar detector. So it's not so easy to get it out of the car. As you can see, the name Blend Mount, because it just blends in right there with the mirror. So when you're looking from outside, it does look like it's just part of the mirror. It kind of hides it and blends in. And it's not easily removed. Somebody had to come in here and remove this. There's a certain technique to remove it, and I might have shown that in the previous videos. But also think about how innovative this company is. When Escort decided to come out with this M1 radar detector, right away they were able to get a product out so that it will integrate easily to their Blend Mount, their existing Blend Mount products. As you can see there, right there. So you can just buy that if you already own a Blend Mount, and then add it to your existing Blend Mount product so that you can install your Escort M1 dash cam. So it's high quality. It comes with all the tools necessary. So if you are thinking of getting one, now's the time, because the discount code is linked to this video in the description below. You check it out. I mean, if you're using a suction mount, which I'm using sometimes in the Jeep, and you put it here in a windshield, I mean, it works. But the problem is the radar detector is so exposed, easily seen and can be stolen. But also during warm weather and the windshield gets hot, it falls off. Or if it's too cold, it also falls off. But this one, it's right there. It's fixed, secure, and it locks your radar detector. So it's certainly, to me, I highly recommend this product just because of how it looks, the quality of the material, and the support you get from blend mount. Man, I was really impressed that they were able to come out with a part to install and integrate the M1 dash cam right there. So if you guys are still on the fence about this, I mean, watch my other videos on how to install. It's pretty easy to install, but it just makes your radar detector, you know, mounted nicely and integrated into your mirror. So if you guys are looking for a mount that integrates nicely, this is it. I mean, there's no other out there. I can tell you right now, I have another mirror mount, but it's not blend mount, and I tried before I got this blend mount. It's not great. Actually, I ended up just putting it in my dashboard there, storing it, because when I got the blend mount, it works so much easier and so much better. So there you go. So guys, link is in the description below. All my videos, there's always links in the description for all the products that I install in the car, so you guys can check it out. But this one, for the blend mount, mirror mount, radar detector mount, there's a discount code shared with me, like I said, by Blend Mount, so I can share it with you. So I'm really happy about this, because the goal of the channel is, like I said, sharing. And if I can share something to you guys, this is it. This is just awesome. Share the discount, share an awesome product. So hopefully, you know, you'll be able to check it out and see for yourself how good this product is. So thank you for your subscription. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and please share this information so we can just keep on sharing with everyone, share the benefits to everyone. And you know, subscribe. I'll put the subscription thingy, my jig somewhere. So thank you. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.